Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can put your YouTube channel link on Instagram bio. See here to place this YouTube channel links on Instagram bio, you need to click on this bottom profile picture at the bottom, and this will leads to your profile page. And here you need to click on edit profile. And see here, this is the bio section. But if you place a link here, HTTPS link, this will show as a link, but it is not a clickable link. To get the clickable links, you need to click on this links section, links, and here you need to keep add external link, and here you'll need to place the url in the sense the YouTube channel url. So I'll show you how you can copy your YouTube channel url right from your phone, and I'll show you in two ways. Okay, using this Google Chrome, and another way is using YT Studio. Okay, first I'll show you with YT Studio. Open YT Studio, YouTube Studio. This is the app from YouTube Studio. If you have this, just open this, and this is the home screen, and you need to click on this profile picture at right top corner and click on this pencil symbol, which is edit, and again you need to click on edit, and you need to copy this handle, YouTube handle. Okay, you need to click on copy, and what you need to do is, and this is the first method I'm showing, copying YouTube channel URL link using YT Studio. On Chrome, just on your browser, just type as youtube.com slash at the rate you need to give, and now paste the handle here. Now paste the handle and click on this enter, and this will be your channel URL. What you need to do is you need to copy this entire thing, and just on Instagram, see here on Instagram, click on add external link, and you can paste the URL here. You can name anything, my YouTube channel or something, my YouTube channel. Okay, this is one way of copying this YouTube channel link. And see here one other, see here one other, see this is the link. Okay, another way I'm going to show to copy URL is just on your Chrome browser, just search as youtube.com and click on enter. This will open YouTube page, and here at top right, your profile picture image will be there, Gmail. If you didn't log in, if it asked you to log in, just log in with your YouTube channel Gmail ID, and here you will find, once you click on your profile picture, you will find your channel option. Click on that your channel and just copy this URL, and same on the Instagram, edit profile, and under links, tap on this links and click on add external, and here you can place that. Okay, this is how you can add your YouTube channel links on Instagram bio. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.